How to enable dark mode on Binance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Binance. If you find the bright light of the default theme too harsh on your eyes, dark mode can make everything easier to view, so let's get into it. Open the Binance app, tap on the top left corner of the screen to access your profile. From here, simply go to the settings at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down until you find an option that says appearance and simply tap on it. In the appearance section, you'll find two options, that is light mode and dark mode. Simply tap on dark mode to simply turn on the dark mode option on the Binance app. Once you've enabled it, the Binance app will instantly switch to dark mode. Now everything will be easier on your eyes, especially in low light condition. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode on Binance.